Gaeilge go Bunchúrsa Gaeilge. We'll start off with talking about fruit. Torthaí, fruit. And moichliat ula. Do you like apples? Ula is apples. And moichliat ula. To say yes, you'll say is moichliam or is moichliam ula. I like apples. And if you don't, ní moichliam. So we've already met an moichliat in previous lessons. Is moichliam, ní moichliam. And moichliat ula is moichliam. And moichliat ula glasa. So we've done our colours in another lesson. Glass is green, but because we're talking about plural here, apples, ula glasa. And moichliat ula glasa. Do you like green apples? Ní moichliam ula glasa. I don't like green apples. Is farliam ula Gaeilge. I prefer red apples. Is farliam ula Gaeilge. If you want to ask someone which do they prefer if you're giving them an option, Cé acu is farliat. Cé acu is farliat. Cé acu is farliat ula no oristí. Which do you prefer, apples or oranges? Is farliam ula. I prefer apples. Is farliam ula. Cé acu is farliat smera dua no smera gorma. Smera dua is blackberries. Smera gorma, blueberries. Cé acu is farliat smera dua no smera gorma. Is farliam smera dua. I prefer blackberries. Is farliam smera dua. Cé acu is farliat banana no pere. So banana doesn't change, it's the same. Pere is the Irish for pear. So pere, pears. Cé acu is farliat banana no pere. Is farliam pere. I prefer pears. Is farliam pere. Now, if you ask someone which do they prefer and they don't really have a preference, they like the two things equally, then this is what we say. So Cé acu is farliat prátaí no scialga. Which do you prefer, potatoes or chips? Prátaí no scialga. To say I like them both, you'll say is moichliam an dárod. Is moichliam an dárod. You're literally saying I like the two things. I like them both. Is moichliam an dárod. And junior then means the dinner. And junior. And moichliat glasry. Do you like vegetables? Glasry. You'll remember from doing the colours that glass is the Irish for green. So glasry, just think of that like your greens, your vegetables. And moichliat glasry. Do you like vegetables? Is brilliant glasry. So if you really like something, you can say it's brilliant glasry. I love vegetables. Is brilliant glasry. If you don't like something at all, you can stress, you can go further than just saying ní moichliam by saying ní moichliam glasry or chorbaí. I don't like vegetables at all. Ní moichliam glasry or chorbaí at all. So fiol then is meat. Fiol. An éitheann tú fiol, do you eat meat? An éitheann tú, do you eat? Fiol, meat. An éitheann tú fiol. The answer then is éitheann, or ní éitheann. So you'll see here that in Irish the verb starts the sentence, whether it's a question or an answer. So the verb eat is at the start of my question. Do you eat an éitheann tú fiol? And your answer then is going to be in either positive form of the verb or negative. And íhim to fiol, íhim, ní íhim. Literally you're saying I eat or I don't eat, and that's how you say yes and no to that question. If you're a vegetarian, you can say is fiol shem tor me. Is fiol shem tor me. Is fiol shem tor me. I'm a vegetarian. So cé acu is fearr leat? Chicken no maciol. So chicken is chicken and maciol is pork. Cé acu is fearr leat? Chicken no maciol. Is fearr chicken. I prefer chicken. Is fearr chicken. And moich leat iasc. Do you like fish? And moich leat iasc. Ní moich iasc or chorbe. I don't like fish at all. Ní moich iasc or chorbe. Cé acu is fearr leat? Úniol no marchal. Úniol is lamb and marchal is beef. Cé acu is fearr leat? Úniol no marchal. Is fearr úniol. I prefer lamb. Is fearr úniol. Cé acu is fearr leat? Steak no ispinaí. Steak is steak and ispinaí is sausages. So cé acu is fearr leat? Steak no ispinaí. Is fearr steak. I prefer steak. Is fearr steak. Chiefy me sibh ar an chéad ceacht eile. Slán go fóill.